Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and enjoying watching all my videos at your home. Are you enjoying? Because I am enjoying with you very much. So welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids, Feather Cap. So can you tell me what we did in the last class? Okay, let me tell you. We did number 5. We did number 5. And the next number is number 6. Next is number 6. Today I will tell you all about number 6. So let's start. First, you will tell me how you will make number 6. Can you count number 6 on your fingers? Yes, we can count number 6 on our fingers. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are my 6 fingers. Okay. These are my 6 fingers. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fingers. Lucky. Now let me show you one more thing which I have, and that is also 6. I have these stones with me. Black color stones. Let's count how many stones I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I have 6 stones. I have, how many stones do I have? I have 6 stones. Okay, alright. So, I will tell you how you will make number 6. Okay, so what is this? This is 6. Okay, this is number 6. And these are 6 balloons. These are 6 balloons. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This bunny is having 6 balloons. Okay, now let's make number 6. And you all have to see. A hoop and a loop do the tricks. That's the way you make a 6. First, you'll make a hoop and then make a loop like this. Okay? You'll make a loop like this. And that's you make a 6. Now, which picture is this? Which insect is this? Can you know? Can you tell me? This is a grasshopper. This is a grasshopper. And grasshopper has 6 legs. Do you know? Grasshopper has 6 legs. And it is in green in color. Okay? Grasshopper is a insect. Now let's count the number of legs of a grasshopper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, grasshopper has 6 legs. Okay. Now, there is one activity for you that you will all do at your homes, and that is you have to paste the 6 stars here. Okay. Everyone will paste 6 stars in this box. Either you can stick the stickers or you can cut and paste the stars. Okay. Now, the next activity is take the pictures which are 6. We have to count the pictures and then we have to put a tick mark. Those are 6. Let's count. First is flowers. Let's count the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, flowers are 6. So, we will put a tick mark on flowers like this. Very good. Next is ladybird. See, this is also one insect. It is ladybird. Let's count the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, it is also 6 in number. So put a tick mark here again. And next is Tweety. Next is Tweety, which is yellow in color. Let's count the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 Tweety we have. No, it's a no. We can't put a tick mark on this. Okay. Now, I will tell you how you will make number 6 by tracing these dots. But first, you all will pick your pencils and your books. Let's start. First, you will make a curve like this, then make a loop and round like this. This is number 6, okay? You will learn it, don't worry. Again, make one more time. Come down, make a loop and go in like this. This is number 6. One more time. Come down, go up, make a loop and like a loop. Now make one more time. Come down and go up, make a loop and come inside. Okay? This is number 6. Now I will tell you how you will make number 6 without dotted lines. First, start from here and go up and inside like a loop. It's done. One more time. Start from the dot, come down, then go up and go inside and stop here. That's number 6. Okay? You will learn it, but for that you need practice. Okay? Because practice makes a man perfect. अगर आप practice नहीं करेंगे, then आप 6 नहीं बना पाएंगे. Okay? You need to practice it daily. Okay? Promise me that you will practice all the numbers daily. That's like the good students. Okay, now keep doing this homework. You will all finish the sheet at your home with your mama. And I will see you in the next class. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.